Hi everyone, if you are here, then you are probably looking to grow your brand on Pinterest. Well, Pinterest is not only a social media platform, nowadays it's a search engine. And you can rank your product on the top of the search list. Doesn't matter you are new to Pinterest, you are uploading one single content on Pinterest and you're pretty new to it. If your content is high quality, then you're definitely gonna get the rank on the top search list. In this video, we're gonna know what type of content you should make on Pinterest and how you can rank your own content to the top of the search list. Section 1. Why content matters on Pinterest. As I mentioned before, Pinterest is a search engine. People come here in Pinterest to generate ideas, looking for their next purchase and creative product they can purchase later. In one word, people came to Pinterest to make their purchasing decision. Normally, your content needs these three things: creativity, realistic content, and information. Keep patient, we're gonna cover A to Z how your content should look like. Section 2. Content type to focus on in 2025. Alright, let's get into it specifically. What type of content perform the best in Pinterest on 2025? Here are my top recommendations. Number 1. Idea Pin. Idea Pin still is a major source of your Pinterest content. These are designed to share how to guide step-by-step process, any informational video, any types of informational content that you should make on Pinterest according to your business. These types of content perfect for increasing engagement. As you can see, if we search a 5-step workout routine, here you can see the images with the information. At first, bold text and clear-cut images. Like this one, you can see the clear image, bold text. So these types of content perform best. Same way, if we search quick recipes, here you can see the bold, clear image and bold text. And this way you should make your content: the bold text and a clear-cut image, or you can try out a video step-by-step process with your edit in voiceover. Same here, the clear-cut text, clear-cut image. So this one, as you can see, this one, I mean, your image has to be very clear to understand. The text has to be bold, and that's it. Number 2 is evergreen content. Evergreen content like seasonal decor, healthy lifestyle, healthy recipes, productivity tips continue performing well. Think about the content which always be relevant, doesn't matter what time of the year is. Number 3 is Pinterest trends for 2025. Use Pinterest trends on your niche, what type of content you are making. Choose every single keyword which is performing well. Pinterest trends not only showing you the trends, it's showing you the future. What type of content or keyword should perform in the next 3 or 2 months, it will show you these things also. Right now we are at Pinterest trends, and if we search nails, from there you can see these keywords is performing well. That means related to nails. If you are making content long all the year, all the time, your content will be ranked. And this way, if we go to nails idea, it's going upward. Nail design all the year perform, the whole year perform well. So this way you can choose the keyword which is always performing good. So that your content can get views all the time. The whole year your content can get views. Samely, if you search fashion, here you can see fashion always performing well. It's going little down and upward, it's going well. Fashion outfits is dropping a little bit, but fashion nails, okay, it's not that much good. But fashion nova outfits is also amazing. So this way you can choose the keyword which is performing best all the time, and you can choose some of the keyword which is going little upward. These types of keyword also you can choose. Here you can see we have right recipe here. So you can see recipe was at the top, and right now it's perfect in stability. Recipe ideas, it's going very upward. Definitely you can choose this keyword. I mean, Pinterest is the best place where you can share your recipe. So yeah, as you can see, this keyword, every single keyword are performing really well. In Pinterest you can see a few of the keyword. The top keyword Pinterest trends is already suggesting us. From there, as you can see, so many keywords are going upward. From there you can choose any of it, as a Christmas is going on, so that's why Christmas is going upward, is showing us. And so many keyword here United States this month, so this is the top performing keyword. You can choose from it. And number 4, product pin. If you are selling only product, then you should make realistic content. Like this home decor brand, as you can see on this brand, we are trying to make realistic content. Some of the images, the clear to understand image, some of the content, as you can see the video content, people are watch every single content video. People are like to see video content. So from there, as you can see, so that we can win audience trust. So this way, this is another video, this is another video, this is another video. So video is best for promoting your product. People can see your product in a realistic vibe and they can relate to it, how the product will look like into their home, how the product they will, if they hold the product into their hand, how it will look like. So that's why I will suggest realistic content like these types of video. You are holding the product and giving a review or anything like this. And as you can see, this is a fashion brand and we are sharing clear to understand picture so that if anyone see the picture, they can relate how the product will look like. So as you can see this so product picture are amazing, and as you can see the photo shoot a video we are posting, the video, I mean we are just covering up realistic content onto the picture, or as a picture or as a video we are uploading realistic content. So this is very important. If you are selling a product, you have to show people that how the product will look like and what they will get once they hold the product into their hand. One thing, sorry to interrupt, if you have any question or looking for a person who can help you to grow your brand on Pinterest, don't hesitate to connect with me. I'm Javed, Pinterest marketing and management expert since 2022. I have completed more than 500 projects and helped my client get millions in sales just from Pinterest. I'm providing 20 minutes of free consultancy. Don't miss out. Thank you. Section 3. Designing engaging pins. For amazing image design and animated video, Canva is best. They already have so many templates that make your process super easy. You can make a piece of content in just a minute. And section 4. Remember, Pinterest is a search engine. So you definitely need to SEO optimize your content. Your every single content has to be SEO optimized with proper keyword, description, title, hashtag, etc. As you can see, this is my account, and on that account we are getting 509,000 monthly view, 100% organically. If you go to the overview, here you can see 547,000 views and total engagement. As you can see, our content is growing day by day. And if we just take a look at the top performing pins, as you can see, fully organic, we are getting 159, 71, 37. Every month we are getting this much of view. If we just go to this content, as I said before, we are trying to make it very clear image and bold text. So here you can see the content. If we just click on the edit, we have used for the pin title, we have added so many high quality keyword, as I mentioned before, cheesy grilled chicken wrap. As you can see, the perfect description, the perfect hashtags, which is we have researched from Pinterest or we have researched from the online, and we added our website here, and we put the pin specifically to the specific board. This going to the relevant board, quick and easy recipes, handmade. So as you can see, it's very important for every single pin you are SEO optimize them with the proper SEO optimized title, proper optimized description, proper hashtags, and save it to the relevant board and add the exact website link. So from there, if anyone see, as you can see, fully free weekend, 159 views, almost 2.29 thousand people save our content. If we just click on the visit, so as you can see, they're gonna visit our website from there. Last but not the least, consistency is the key. As a beginner, you have to post minimum 5 to 10 posts per day and save the pins into the exact relevant boards. If you follow these steps, I can guarantee you can gain that much of growth very easily. If you found this video help you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.